Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we'll start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because it will be transferred to our website where you can find all of the codes I'll present you today with an additional explanation and some more information about it. But of course many more tutorials regarding this device, this particular model. Alright, so let's start. Let's open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225###. And there we've got the calendar info, so here we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic information or diagnostic mode. It is *##426###. And as I said, we're in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and there we've got some further details. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, make sure that it is marked, and tap on the status again to show more information, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which is *##4636###. And there we've got the testing mode with the phone information, Wi-Fi info, and usage statistics. So let me tap on Wi-Fi info. Here we've got more options like API configuration and the status. So for example, here we can refresh the stats and check the information, just like the supplicant state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back. We've got also the usage statistics, and basically here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device and how much time you've spent on them, for the usage time. We can also change the sorting type from the usage time to the last time used or app name. And the phone information, last but not least. We've got the info, just like the email number again, a phone number, data service, voice service, signal strength. Basically, you will have this information provided if you've got the SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I cannot really check it. Under it, we've got the option to run the ping test, and here we've got some results. And after tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.